What we're looking at here is a shop that you can see around here in the street near Colon, near Carbon Market. Is the surplus parts of trucks. So you can see like trucks that has been no use, they take out the good parts and sell it here. But this one, he said they don't have much about cars, it's mostly about trucks. So dump cars, they take out the parts and sell it here. Pwede na ko badulan gamay sira para makita-kita. Daray. So all kinds of truck parts. So if you're like reviving your cars, trucks, this is, and you know what parts you're looking for, this is the place you can go. They sell all sorts. The junks and the good parts of the trucks. So of course they will be more cheaper than you can find in brand new in Autoparts, because these are the surplus parts. You have a good look, but I'm giving you an idea that you can find surplus parts for your trucks in certain places here in Cebu City.